Bene, I think that it is possible now to begin the presentation of all the partners, because it's important that it is the public, the knowledge of the partner themselves. So the Federica Baffigi shall present the group that participated to the project. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I am a part of the Meta Research Group of the University of Modena, Reggio Emilia, and now I am the pleasure to present to you very briefly the 12 international partners of the Maat Project, Multi-Body Advanced I-Ship for Transport. The 12 partners coming from 5 different European countries and 2 coming from West European countries, and they are 8 universities and 4 industrial partners. The Maat Project coordinator is the University of Modena, Reggio Emilia, in particular the Department of Science and Methods of Engineering and the Meta Research Group. The researcher of DISME, Department of Science and Methods of Engineering, are specialized in thermofluidodynamic, energy and energy management engineering and mechatronic engineering. The researcher of Hermete has developed the concept of innovative airship, such as Therma, visible in the left side of the screen. And Therma is a ship able to plot the temperature distributions over the roof of the building. The team leader is Professor Antonio Dumas, and he is the Maat coordinator. Professor Dumas is full professor of technical physics at the course of managerial engineering at the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Modena or Reggio Emilia, and his field of research regards in particular thermal fluidodynamics, thermal exchange, solar energy, energetic and exergetic economics. The idea of Maat was born in 2010 and was born thanks to the previous studies about PSYCHE. PSYCHE is the acronym for Photovoltaic Stratospheric Island for Conversion of Hydrogen by Electrolysis. And PSYCHE is able, by means of its photovoltaic roof, to maximize the energy capture in order to produce hydrogen by electrolysis. The studies about PSYCHE was useful to develop the idea of Maat. Some strengths of the concept of Maat will be the photovoltaic roof. The energy capsule is equal to 0, and also the modular cruiser feeder concept and the use of platooning technology. They are just some of the concept of the strengths of the concept of Maat. The Maat team is composed by researchers at the Department of Science and Methods of Engineering, and also by Professor Rimini, a full professor in mechanical industrial plants, and Professor Dragoni, full professor in mechanical engineering design and head of the Department of Science and Methods of Engineering. The first European partner about the Maat coordinator is the Universidade de Beira Interior, coming from Portugal, UBI, located in Covilhã, in the central part of Portugal. And the research of UBI range a wide thematic areas in aeronautics and aerospace. The team leader is Professor Giuseppe Pascoa. Is an active researcher in turbomachinery aerodynamics, and currently, as the other members of UBI, is a member of CAEST, Center for Aerospace Science and Technology of UBI. The team of UBI and the CAEST Center, with large facilities at Covilhã Airport and the laboratory, such as we can see in the slide, spans a wide range of thematic areas, such as dynamic control aerospace system and others. The Maat team is composed by Professor Pascoa, Professor Silvestre, 1 postdoc researcher, and 4 PhD students. The first industrial partner came from Germany, and it is LNSE, the Logistic Network Consultants Company, with two headquartered, one in Berlin and one in Hanover. The Logistic Network Consultants is a consulting company which offers solutions on logistic and logistic network procedures. The team leader is Michael Kuchenbecker, is a senior consultant and authorized representative, and LNC currently is responsible for the sector of research and development in logistics and the logistic network of LNC itself. The Logistic Network Consultants was founded in 1998 in Hanover, and then it was founded an additional branch in Berlin in 2009, and they span a wide range of logistic problems, from market analysis to logistic brokerage. The Maat team is composed, apart from the leader, also by Thomas Moller and Lars Gunzel, both consultants of LNSE and headquartered in Hanover. The first partner coming from the United Kingdom is the University of Hertfordshire. The University of Hertfordshire carry on research in various fields of research, such as structural and fluid mechanics, fuel cell, hydrogen, wind energy structure, and aircraft structure. They have the peculiarity to work very closely with the industrial and aerospace partners, such as Airbus and Rolls-Royce. The team leader is Dr. Calais, a leader in energy system and group leader of the research group at UH. She is also the renewable energy expert member of Energy Institute in the United Kingdom, and Dr. Calais has been just a lead investigator of several EPS, RC, UA, and industrially funded research projects. The team of University Hertfordshire has also a large availability of facilities with 5 wind tunnels from low speed to supersonic wind tunnel up to 4.5 Mach number. They have also a fuel cell testing lab, flight simulator, and laboratories for overcraft project. Another member of the University of Hertfordshire team is Dr. Chen. He is the subject group leader in smart technology and conditioning monitoring. And they have the capability to combine linear and non-linear finite element analysis to the material and structure integrity of the aircraft. The first partner coming from East European country is the Russian partner, the SFIDU, Southern Federal University. The SFIDU is the legal successor of Rostov University. They have 2 campuses, one in Tangaroy and one in Rostov. The SFIDU team are excellent professor and a member of academic science of Russia, and also won Nobel Prize. The team leader is Professor Psikopov, Director of Projects on Vehicle and I-Ship Control System for Design for Ministry of Defense of Russian Federation, Russian Defense Export, Aerospace Agency of China. The SFIDU team is composed by research and postdoc researcher and PhD students and professors as well, and they are specialized in unmanned aircraft and airship in particular project. In fact, the use of unmanned airship get a wide range of advantages, like the pilot error absence and long-time flight operations. Another partner came from United Kingdom is Engis Limited. Engis Limited is a society of software development, and they are able to produce, develop, and support CFD for industrial and government application. The team leader of Engis is engineer Francisco Campos, since 2009 operation manager at Engis and co-founder of Engis Limited, and previously CFD engineer and turbo genset senior CFD engineer at Icon. Engis is a society of engineering and software developers with more than 10 years of experience in the field of development of open foam, and also in they are expert in the use of the most part of CEA commercial codes, such as Fluent, CFX, SolidWorks, etc. They have they headquartered in England, and they have another two society in Italy and in Germany. The Maat team is composed by two mechanical engineers, Dr. Jeremy and Dr. De Villiers, and two aeronautical engineers, Dr. Jackson and Dr. Schumacher. Another partner came from the United Kingdom is University of Lincoln. University of Lincoln is a school of engineering, a center of excellence in power system control, especially in electronic, electric, automotive, and aircraft systems. They collaborate with several industries from CME to multinationals. The team leader is Professor Stewart, Professor of Control Engineering, Head of Engineering, Director EPSCR Network and Airport Technology, and expert also in photovoltaic, energy storage system, and electromechanical conversion machines. Another member of the team is Professor Bingham, project co-investigator, and he has made a relevant contribution to several funded research. The Maat team, led by Professor Stewart, will contribute to the Maat project for their application experience about aerospace. In particular, they studies about low-carbon operations, non-linear and intelligent flight control for fast jets and helicopters, and in general for their studies about power system control. Another partner came from Italy, apart the University of Modena Reggio Emilia, is the University of Bologna and Polytechnic of Torino. The University of Bologna, in particular the Interdepartmental Center for Industrial Research in Aeronautics, is located near Forlì, about 60 kilometers far from Bologna, and is a research center where senior staff of the Department of Mechanical, Nuclear and Aerospace Engineering, a member of the physics departments, collaborate together with young research and post-PhD students to promote innovation in industry. They settled airport facilities in the airport of Forlì, such as hangar with aircraft and teaching room and CFD clusters. The team leader is Professor Persiani, the director of the center, full professor of aircraft structure design. His research activities deals with rapid prototyping in aeronautics, and also he conducted research about combustion and control systems. The team of University of Bologna carry on research, experimental and numerical research about UAV path simulation and optimization in the civil airspace, also flight sim simulation, and as I mentioned before, they are specialized in the rapid prototyping of scale model aircraft for wind tunnel test, for example. Another member of the team is Dr. Ceruti, assistant professor at the University of Bologna. To sum up, the research activities of the University of Bologna, in particular of the CIRI team, deal with the optimization techniques, UAV design and simulation, and in general, innovative methods for product design. Another partner came from Extra Europe is the EDL. EDL is a group of engineers and architects. EDL Exponential Design Lab is located in Montevideo, in Uruguay, and the team leader and founder of EDL is the architect Giorgio Gaviraghi. Giorgio Gaviraghi has 40 years of active experience as designer, project manager, and general manager of design and construction organization. He was involved in several aerospace facility design as project manager. He was also the co-designer of the Euromarts, the Martian simulated base. The EDL is a center where the architectural engineer project every different aspect, from energy conservation, power generation in building, vertical agriculture, decontamination systems. And the Maat team is composed by architecture engineers of the EDL and also by Professor Marzocca. He is the Exponential Design Lab program manager and the CEA US Technical Committee Chair. And he also research about aeroelasticity and active and passive control systems. Another industrial partners and came also from Italy is the Aerosecure SPA. Aerosecure is a small and medium enterprise born in Italy in 2007 from the group located in the headquarters in England. The Aerosecure provides safety equipment for assure the life and survival of people and rescue operation, such as maritime and land vehicles and aerospace operations. The team leader is Dr. Morganti. At the moment, he is consultant of SME supporting product development for the aerospace market. He has also a contract professor, and in 1989, he won the Royal Aeronautic Prize for a paper on the fracture propagation test and methods. The Aerosecure conducted research in specific key areas from the research, he started research from manufacturing and prototyping, and they have chemical and mechanical laboratories, and they are specialized in construct flexible equipment for safety operations. The Maat team is composed by engineering and technician of the Aerosecure and the program supervisors and Dr. Andrea Bianchi. The Vrije Universiteit Brussel, located in Belgium, and in particular at the Faculty of Engineering and the Department of Mechanical Engineering, is the Belgian partner of the Maat Project. The study of thermodynamic and fluid dynamic at Vrije Universiteit draws upon a great heritage. The team leader is Professor Vucinic, professor of VUB, and involved in European research and development project supported by the European Framework Program. At VUB, they conducted research, experimental and computational fluid dynamics research. They have 2 subsonic wind tunnel and 1 water wind tunnel, and also advanced measurements equipment such as high-speed PIV and 6 DOF force balance for wind tunnel testing. They contribute widely in the Maat project for the computational power of the VUB center. They have several multiprocessors. And finally, the last partner is Polytechnic of Torino, came from Italy, in particular the Department of Energetics, where the research studies about combustion, nuclear fission and fusion, aerospace structure, and also about fire safety engineering. The team leader is Professor Cafaro, full professor at the Polytechnic of Torino, and they research about combustion system, modeling and numerical simulation, turbulent flow, and also studies about fire safety engineering. They have large-scale facilities as laboratories for cryogenic gas tests, and also they carry on research about the modeling and design of road and railways tunnel ventilation. They contribute in the Maat project, in particular for their studies about fire safety engineering and the safety analysis of transport and energy systems in general, because they are carry on research on physical and numerical modeling of innovative fire mitigation systems. Thank you.